In 2007, Over and Over Again was a massive hit for Tami Chin. But did you know that the song was written based on her affection for Wayne Marshall? Well, Tami shares the backstory behind the song in this week's Fiwi Culture segment.
Hi, this is Tami Chin Mitchell, reggae and dancehall music of Fiwi Culture. Wow, do you know that that song was written by myself and Tessan, and even my dad was there when we wrote that song. And you know, it was inspired by a great love that I had at the time and felt at the time. And so yeah, it's a true story about me and Wayne.
Want to let you in. Are you willing to catch my fall if I happen to just fall for you?
I remember Arif must have come to me through my manager at the time, maybe, and we got together. We heard the rhythm, Guardian Angel. That's what it's called, right? That rhythm. And I just remember writing the song. I must have recorded it at our home studio at the time, to Underground Studios. And I remember this. I'll tell you a story about that. I went to play it for Arif. And I remember my manager at the time, Conroy, was there, and Sanjay was there as well. And I remember them trying to convince me that the hook of the song was, I think I like you, and if you got some time to spare. And I was like, no, that's not the hook. The hook is, do what you want, as long as you're with me, say what you... And they were like, nope, that's not the hook. And I remember being like, are you guys crazy? Like, that's not the hook of the song. And it was a big, like, discussion that we had for well over an hour as to what the hook would be. Of course, I won in the end. Definitely not. Definitely not. I could have never imagined that it would have been like one of the leading songs on that rhythm. I just didn't think so. I don't think, well, maybe some people do. I don't think that anytime I wrote a song, I sat and I thought, yeah, man, this I go. Sometimes it's just the way things work out. And for whatever reason, I think that song just resonated with lots of people. And I think it had a lot to do with it being from a very true place. Oh, so many. I mean, you know, I was able to perform in so many different places, did so much. Like I said, you know, it became the song that, like, kind of, if hyperventilating landed me on the map, this song said, all right, let's keep going. And so, you know, that's the thing about being an artist. Like, you don't know when it's going to happen or what song it's going to be, but when it does, it's right on time. And I would say that it was right on time, perfect part of my career to just, you know, have me keep going in that direction. It was a lot of fun.
Do what you want, as long as you're with me. Say what you want, as long as I hear you calling my name over and over again.
In this week's Pree Vox Pop segment, we ask members of the public, what's your New Year's resolution? Let's check it out.
Pree?
More work, you know, more work, more product. We have whole heap of product to come out and things, whole heap of video to come out, so we just try to keep up the momentum to survive. You know what I mean? I just hope the youth them stop singing too much crack song and this song and ray, you know? Just sing more happy music.
We just want to come, the Jamaica, every community, every area, we just come in as one, live as in a unity and everything. Senseless killing now make it. Jamaica culture and Jamaica art is about love, unity, and just niceness. So I could do that for the 2024 and us live as one.
You don't know me, surprise them with a bag. Just enjoy the music and feel the vibes, you understand?
You know, make bigger impact in the music, so just international. That's the praise, me. 2024, believe.
Make more money, bro. You know what I'm saying? More success, you get me? Lock in more than I've been locking in. Just work harder.
Well, just released a new single, Dear Angel. I have a whole heap of songs that come out, especially in January. Looking forward to all of those releases. So it's shooting videos, releasing new material.
Spend more time with the family.
Well, I have it in my pocket. It's an OMG sauce. My New Year's resolution is to continue working on this brand, pushing it, and just continuing being the best that I can as a person while I work on this as well too.
Boy, after the food, you see me I say, what for guy Jimmy, you see me, so work on it, we are work on it, you know?
Can't keep no resolution, dog. Can't keep no resolution. Just have to focus myself on the money, you don't know? So what's your New Year's resolution? Let us know on all our social media platforms at Pree Show on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, and of course YouTube. And tune in next week for more Why Pree.
Why Pree?
And that is how we say goodbye to Crossroads as well as this week's episode of Pree Show. You don't know I'm your host Naldo Addy, wishing you a happy new year when it comes.
Pree this, you have to see this. Don't.